Good morning, children. Today I am here to discuss about good manners. Now, I hope all of you know what is good manners. A good mannered person is always appreciated and respected by people. People like to have friendship with those who are good mannered. A person who does not have good manners loses dignity and self respect. Good manners should be inculcated in childhood so that they can take firm root and can see one through life. Being polite and courteous is good manners. Being rude and arrogant is a sign of having bad manners. So, my dear children, people love those who are having good manners. Now, today I am here to discuss about the teaching about the good manners. Now, when we used to say please, when we are asking something to someone else, that please give me a glass of water, or please give me the pen, or please give me a pencil. So when we are asking, when we are requesting, जब हम लोग किसी को रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कुछ देने के लिए, तभी हम लोग प्लीज़ बोलते हैं, है ना. When thank you, when someone gives us something, then we used to say thank you. जब हम लोग को कुछ कोई देता है तो तुरंत हम लोग को thank you बोलते हैं. Welcome. When we say welcome, like the guest used to come in our house, and at that moment we used to say them that welcome to our house. So this also we used to say. All these things we used to show our gratitude. This helps us to clear us as our dignity, whatever it may be. This should be inculcated from our childhood. बचपन से हम लोग को ये सब सीखना पड़ता है. Sorry, when we say sorry, suppose if we make mistakes or if we forget anything, suppose at that time we can say sorry. हम लोग उसी समय sorry बोलते हैं. Allow me. Now please allow me to enter in the class. When we are asking to the teacher from coming out to get inside the classroom, then we can ask our teacher that please allow me to enter in the class. हमको permission दीजिए मैम, है ना. ऐसे हम लोग बोलते हैं. Pardon me please. तो हम लोग ये भी बोलते हैं कि अगर कुछ सुन नहीं पाते ठीक से, अगर कुछ को देख नहीं पाते ठीक से, तो हम लोग ये बोलते हैं, फिर से बोलते हैं, फिर से दिखाओ. ये ऐसे नहीं बोलने, ऐसे हम लोग नहीं बोलते. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Pardon me please. That means you please show me that things again, or you please discuss us that things again once more. That's at that time we used to say pardon me please. You are welcome. Now when someone say us thank you, at that time we tell them you are welcome. This is the return of that thank you. When someone says us thank you, in return we used to say you are welcome. जो अगर कोई हम लोग को thank you बोलते हैं, तो उसके return में, उसके बदले में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? You are welcome. May I come in please? Now yes, inside. Suppose you gone outside from your classroom, and you came back to the classroom. You want to get enter in the classroom, and you ask your teacher that may I come in please. You are taking the permission to your teacher whether you enter into the classroom or not. क्लासरूम में घुसना चाहते हो तो टीचर उसी समय टीचर मौजूद है, तो टीचर का परमिशन लेना पड़ता है ना बच्चों. It was all by mistake. Now if I make any mistake, then I should confess it. Okay my dear children, अगर हम कोई मिस्टेक कर ले तो वो हमको स्वीकार करना चाहिए, वो हमको बोलना चाहिए कि ये मेरा मिस्टेक है. So it was all by mistake. Okay, I am very sorry. Now if I make any mistakes really, and if that time I should confess or I should say I am very sorry. अगर हमसे कोई गलती हो जाए तो हमको I am very sorry बोलना चाहिए. May I have your attention please? Now देखो, अगर कोई तुम किसी को कुछ बोलना चाहते हो तो उसका टेंशन तुमको लेना है. यू हैव टू टेक द टेंशन ऑफ हिम और हर. सो एट दैट टाइम यू कैन आस्क हर परमिशन और यू कैन टेक हिज परमिशन दैट मे आई हैव योर अटेंशन प्लीज, सो दैट ही और शी कैन अटेंड यू एंड यू कैन deliberate your whatever you want to say. Where do you live? Now if anyone comes in our house, if any stranger or in someone unknown person, then automatically we will ask him or her that where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? It's all yours. So all these things, these words or these sentences, we should deliberate it politely so that it can shows that we are in a good manners. We know how to behave good with others, and this should be inculcated from our childhood. Okay, my dear children, so please practice it in your life from today onwards. Thank you.